guys, so today I'm going to be doing a DIY video for you guys. Remember those? Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I create my faux mink lashes. But before we start the video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell, select all notifications so you don't miss any uploads. Alright you guys, for this DIY you're going to need some lash glue and a brush spoolie, some 138 lashes, some 615s from Salon Perfect, an SF106 from Stardale Lashes, and a set of Glam Wispy Lashes. You could buy any wispy lashes. Those I got from TJ Maxx. So you're going to use your spoolie to brush out your 138s, and all of these lashes should be available in your local beauty supply store. You can also get them on eBay and on Amazon. They usually run about maybe $1 to $2 the most, and if you get them in a beauty supply, they're around $2. Maybe on eBay they'll be $1. But the first set of lashes you're going to start with are the 138s, and what you're going to do is just brush the hairs to kind of separate them and make them more feathered out, okay? Even though it looks like I'm doing this in a very, very rough way, I promise you I am gentle, but you want to get in between those hairs. These lashes are all human hair lashes, so no actual mink lashes. It's just to get the look of mink without the cost. So if you like the natural light look of mink lashes, this first step right here, this is all you. You can definitely wear these and pull them off as mink lashes if you like, but I prefer to stack my lashes and create a bolder mink look. So I'm going to go in with the 615s from Salon Perfect. Okay, and I just put them on this clear thing so you guys can see that they are the 615s. I had actually used them for a different look and took them off because I didn't like the way they looked, but I'm just going to reuse them so they don't go to waste. So what I'm going to do is put these right into the center part of these 138 lashes. And just place them there. You guys saw I already put the glue on the lash band while the lash is still attached to the tray. So you want to keep the lash on the tray. You don't want to take it off and try to do this, you know, by hand like that. You want it to stay in place. Now I'm going to go in with these wispy lashes. I'm going to cut off that extra piece of band or plastic that's right there. You don't want that there. It's going to poke you in your eye and it's going to make your eye water and then just mess up your whole makeup look. Alright you guys, so when you put on this set of lashes, you want the smaller end, not the wider end, so the inner part of the lash to connect with the other inner part, okay? Do not connect them towards the outer part. Just put them together in the beginning, basically, of the lashes, okay? So as you can see, I'm using the tweezers to press them down. So basically pressing the glue in between each lash strip. And if you notice, the lash strips that I'm using are not really thick. They're transparent or super thin, which is the main reason why I'm using them as well, so it doesn't become heavy on my eyelid. So as you guys could see here, we're getting more of that mink lash look, but because I'm gonna go ahead and add the Stardale lashes. So this is basically the combination lash set that I wore in my last tutorial, where I asked you if you guys wanted a tutorial on them. Okay, but this is a new set that I'm doing just for another video, but I end up keeping these lashes for a very long time. If you guys want to see how I clean my lashes, please let me know. I can definitely do a video for you on that. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure you give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. Love you guys. Bye.